Yorana. Today we're talking about the French Polynesian or Tahitian flag. Why do countries have their own flag, right? Why would Tahiti have their own flag? They are a French territory, aren't they? Yes, they are, and for years they have been flying the French flag. But in 1984, they were granted permission to fly the French Polynesian or Tahitian flag alongside the French flag in recognition that Tahiti has their own identity. They're rich in their own culture, rich in their own beliefs, rich in their own traditions. So in 1984, Tahiti was proud to hoist up for the first time the French Polynesian flag alongside the French flag. So let's take the flag and its symbols and let's see what it means. What are those symbols actually telling us about that culture and tradition? So first on the flag, you'll see the sun. The sun is very important in all Polynesian aspects, right? Why? The sun on the French Polynesian flag, you will notice it represents life. The sun brings life by giving its rays, by sending down its life to all of nature, right? Without the sun, plants wouldn't grow. And as you know, in the islands, plants are a huge thing. Everywhere you look, flowers, trees, coconuts, and this was one of the biggest symbols of life in the Polynesian culture was the sun. So you'll see 10 rays coming down off of the flag symbolizing that life-giving force. Next you see the ocean. How much bigger in Polynesian view can you have of giving life than the ocean? That's how the islands were founded, were through the ocean. That's how each island was settled, was through the ocean. That's how we communicate, through the ocean. But first and foremost, that's where they got most of their food. So the ocean is actually a symbol of abundance. No matter what, they can always rely on the ocean to give them fish, to give them seafood, and that's how they ate. So of course, it makes sense that they would have the ocean symbolized here as a symbol of abundance. Next, we take the va'a, or the big canoe that you see on there. So the biggest part of Polynesian history comes from the va'a, comes from this canoe. Without that, none of the islands would have been found. So the original navigators, voyagers, were on this. It's a symbol of voyage. It's a symbol of power over the ocean. That the Polynesians at that time, they left in search of new lands, and they found it. They found the Marquesan Islands, the Tuamotu Islands, Tahitian Islands, and so on. Continued to Hawaii, Samoa, New Zealand, Fiji, Tonga, all the Polynesian islands. So this va'a is a symbol of that voyage. Of course, you also can use that va'a as a symbol of fishing, right? They fished, but they went out to fish, out in the ocean. Most of Tahiti is surrounded by a reef. So to get the larger fish, they went outside of the reef. What else can they do on this va'a? They communicated with each other, right? They didn't have cell phones at that time, but they sure did have a lot of va'a. So they took their boats and their representatives from islands to islands, and that's how they kept communication. That's how they settled the islands, that's how they discovered the islands, and that's how they communicated. They also transported stuff from one island to another island. It was a symbol of power over the ocean as well. So the ocean wasn't seen as a barrier, it was seen more as a highway. So this was their way to communicate and keep that community going of Polynesia. Last, you'll notice there are 5 tikis. Those 5 tikis represent the 5 archipelagos that make up French Polynesia. They are the Society Islands, the Austro Islands, the Marquesan, the Tuamotu, and the Gambier. So next time you look at the French Polynesian flag, it's not just a random set of symbols thrown on a flag. This is the identity that is French Polynesia, that is Tahiti, the pride of the tradition, history, and culture. Get out your Google, look up the French Polynesian flag, and see if you can see all the symbols represented on that flag. Maruru!